Hello guys, my name is Gauri Bandre. I'm an intern at LEXIS and Company. My topic for today's discussion is arrest. And in today's discussion, we're going to see what is the procedure that needs to be followed under a lawful arrest, what are the rights of the person being arrested, and what are the procedure that needs to be followed during an arrest of a female. Now just imagine that you're having a peaceful dinner with your family and there is a knock on your door. There's a police officer standing right outside your door to arrest you. You don't know what is the reason, what is your fault, but all you know is you are being arrested. In this case, there are certain rights that you should know while being arrested and while a lawful arrest is being conducted. Under Criminal Procedure Code of 1947, there are certain procedure that is laid down to be followed during a lawful arrest. Now, first of all, we need to know is that arrest can be classified broadly into two types. One is under cognizable offense where there is no warrant needed, and second is during the non-cognizable offense where warrant is mandatory before an arrest. Under a non-cognizable offense, it is mandatory for a police officer to have a warrant issued by a magistrate. Now, what does non-cognizable offense consist of? Assault, cheating, public nuisance, etc. are considered under a non-cognizable offense. So in this case, it is mandatory for the district magistrate to issue a warrant to the police officer before getting a person arrested. And in cognizable offense, it is not mandatory for a police officer to have a warrant to arrest a person, even if he feels that there is some kind of suspicion and he feels that maybe he is going to do something wrong. In that case also he can conduct a lawful arrest. Now, what does cognizable offense consist of? Cognizable offense means offenses like murder, theft, rape, etc. are considered under cognizable. A private person can also arrest a person committing an offense if he thinks that whatever you are trying to do is unlawful and can hurt somebody. So in both the cases, it is mandatory for the police officer to inform that person who is being arrested about the charges which he is being arrested on. In case the arrest has already taken place, first the person needs to be informed why he is being arrested. Second, he has a right to inform his relative, friends or family about the arrest and where he is being arrested. Third, the accused person has right to consult a lawyer immediately or take any legal help if he needs. Now, in case of bailable offense, so there are two types of offenses, bailable and non-bailable. Bailable offense, it is mandatory for the police officer to inform the person being arrested that he has the right to have bail, because at times what happens, people don't know and people are not aware that they have the right of bail in certain offenses, and in that case the police officer misuses power and not inform the person being arrested about his rights, that in bailable offenses you have right to take bail. In case a female being arrested, she cannot be arrested before 6 p.m., that is before sunrise or after sunset, unless these circumstances are extraordinary. In any case, there should be a female officer while the female is being arrested. After being arrested, she should be put up in a separate cell. Any person under the age of 15 cannot be summoned to go to the police station and being questioned. He or she needs to be questioned at home itself. All the cases, the arrested person has right to remain silent. This is very important, right? And guys, many people are not aware of this. Now, if you are silent, it won't be assumed that you have committed the offense, after which it is mandatory for the police to record the time of your arrest and specify the date, because within 24 hours of your arrest, it is mandatory for the police to present you in the front of magistrate, where a magistrate can take the actions further. If in case the police are denying or extending your 24 hours of arrest, then it will be considered as an unlawful arrest. If you think that the police officer has tortured you in some of the other physical aspect, in that case the accused has a right to be medically examined by the government doctor within 48 hours of his arrest. In case of violation of any of this procedure, or being tortured or conduct of an illegal arrest, you can inform a human rights commission or can lodge a complaint towards any senior police officer under the same jurisdiction. These were few of the procedures that is mandatory to be followed before an lawful arrest. Guys, it is really important for everybody to know these small things. The person who is being arrested is innocent until proven guilty. Thank you.